So this is my uni life vlog.
Good yap session, 100%.
Taste test. First ever Gil.
First ever?
Yeah. First ever Gil burrito, guys.
In one bite?
When was the last time you went to a lecture?
I haven't been to a lecture in 4 weeks.
So we're going to a lecture.
Rare occurrence.
Becca,
how often are you in lectures?
All the time. Genuinely. No, I don't miss lectures actually.
No, I haven't been to a lecture since before events week.
Are you excited to be in the lecture?
To be fair, this one's quite interesting, so.
What's this one then?
What lecture are we in?
We're making pancakes.
Can't use that. We can't.
So this is what the pancake looks like. You're on air now.
Welcome to me and Becca's cooking show.
Taste test.
That's not quite that.
It's a bit wet.
The crispy texture.
Hi vlog, so nice to see you all. It's March the 3rd, 2025, and I'm currently eating Parma Violets at Students.
Okay.
With these lovely people.
I don't know how I'm going with this, I'm just going to hit this. Oh! Okay.
I think we might be winning this.
Oh, here we go.
No, that's an Ezra shot.
We all know what's going to happen. This is such a poor shot.
No, yeah.
What was wrong with mine? You hit the net. That's what you did. Oh, and he's messed it up again.
Oh, the best part of riding with you.
That was a bit much for 9 AM to be honest. How would you rate the 9 AM?
So much fun. I love when this guy just makes up every word and predicts the US dollar's gonna crash.
We're going to Preston via Wigan. The most magical place on earth. Score predictions, 1-1 all.
0-0.
3-2 up the Swans. Up the Swans. I'm going to go 4-2 Swansea.
2-1.
2-1 to the Swans.
What's the score?
Yes.
3-2 Swansea.
No, I think right.
Miles Pert Harris.
My prediction of Miles Port Harris hat-trick is kind of off the course because he just went off injured.
I'm by Bushwinkish, got Gaelic Andropoulos, Santa Sailor, Ready guys?
Yeah.
This is big news. Key, right back, he's a Christian. Ben Cabango, centre back. Lewis O'Brien, the guy who's not Northern Irish.
Dylan O'Brien?
No, Lewis O'Brien. And we've got Ronald.
Great in Preston is completely different to anywhere else in the world.
Steak bakes.
Steak bakes. First bite, pure pastry. Becca is a bread amateur.
First bite?
Oh, she got some.
Hello.
We got.
I've never seen a one that excited.
I've never seen him this pumped.
We've locked in. Come on. Oh no! That's my team. That's my team.
I'm leaning on the seats.
Fake fan. Wales is a small place. Half time. 0-0. It's going.
Go cold.
So it ended 0-0.
That was my prediction. Roll the tape. People think there's going to be goals.
Please.
Riveting game. Real exciting. I wanted to take that as a win because we were meant to lose to Preston.
Yeah, I'm happy we got a clean sheet. I was really worried for a few moments. Cabango. Yeah,
Ben.
he served. Yeah.
Great day out, great night out. I'm happy to be here. Will I be a Swansea fan? Yes!
You find over to Ohio. We drew Cardiff loss, so that's basically a win, right? I think it was just poor. It's Swansea at the end of the day. Do you know what I mean? It's in the name.
The Swansea way is not the Swansea way anymore, is
It's
it?
not. You know, beggars can't be choosers. 2 mics going on here.
Back to the studio.
Is we go fast and leave the past all in the rearview. So roll the windows, I want a clear view.
Library garden, come on.
How are we? I don't know what I'm asking to go, but
What's the location? Come with me.
Put it in 2 times speed.
Yeah, go on. Follow me, guys. Jay? Are we in Grovering? Have you ever been this far into the high road? Somewhere. Yeah. Oh, okay. Good. It is Friday, 7:46.
We're going to prayer meeting. We're going to make a quick lineup predictions. Ezra, Femi, possibly a wine. Toby's a wild card.
Close the distance to my heart and keep it near you. Don't need a suitcase packed, so lose the map. I'm switching my location, they won't find us here. Darling, you remind me of Carolina Pines.
Weekly shot. Let's go. It's so wine. It's so wine. A wine eats all the time.
Like, where's the rest of the cake gone?
What do you mean? Oh, my granny. Honestly, my granny's a fourth. Like, this, if Crave is on club card price, I'm gonna have to get it. No way. No way. Oh, no. Oh, that's coming here. Oh, I should get Crave. Oh, no. Oh, no.
No, no.
That's a lot of chocolate. Part of me wishes I never knew. I'm giving you chocolate for Lent. We've got to go back. What's your favourite thing you've purchased?
The granola.
My one and only vegetable. She's going strong.
Welcome to Cooking with Becca and Ruby. 15 minutes to make fajitas because we're late for Bible study.
We're in a rush.
We did it. 1924, and we meant to be at the library at 19.
Oh, so
Like, what's that? It might be Mark.
So
He's got Mark over.
Mark.
So, what you guys got?
Or he
bets
could-
on?
Yeah, bets on what Ezra's gonna bring to the Bible study today.
I think he's bringing us Psalms.
Oh, he's
Really-
better than that.
A really niche Psalm. So we'll go for Psalm like 53.
But it's gonna be something about Mark.
Oh,
Because he's reading that at the moment. Mark chapter 18.
Okay.
Baby, can I ask me? I feel my heart raging like a river.
Should we just let her have it? Like, well, yeah. Right. Right, no. How is that? How is that?
Out in West Virginia, I wanna be with you wherever you are.
Boycott Ezra from these vlogs.
Wow, I actually respect our friendship.
Oh,
My hair's not looking very good today.
You would have scored a hat-trick, but you went off injured.
do you not want to say hi?
Right, well, I'm gonna see myself.
Hello.
I don't want to go, I don't want to go. Caitlin's not here.
Peter's gone into my brain.
Oh.
I really like my mum.
Started doing the Ruby stance, and it's actually life changing. Why is it so comfy?
It's